All right, ladies and gentlemen, Christopher Greene, AMTV, BitcoinRich.com. Click the link below to join us at school. Major update. I'm not going to edit this. Huge news. A lot of noise around. We got gardeners everywhere. Construction going on. Kind of a big day. But I don't care because we're going to bring this hard-hitting and in-your-face news to you when it counts, when it matters most. We've got a massive Bitcoin ETF announcement, something we've been talking about at school for going over the last couple of months, expecting this to be a watershed moment to send the price of Bitcoin much higher. Today, reaching as high as 61,863, just shy of its record high near 65K. This is absolutely massive, sending the entire cryptocurrency market cap to near $2.5 trillion, ladies and gentlemen. Trust that freaking plan. Trust that freaking plan, ladies and gentlemen. Just like we've been telling you, learn more at school. Again, it's amazing to me, all the people out there like, Christopher, they're going to ban Bitcoin, man. They're going to get rid of Bitcoin. No way the government's going to allow it. Well, they're not banning it, dude. They're approving it, is what they did today. So let's get into this. The ETF is a futures ETF. It's not trading spot. That's coming. There's multiple filings of exchange-traded funds that have been filed in the books, so to speak, on Wall Street that are coming. In fact, the Winklevoss twins, very famous, co-founded really Facebook, then sued Mark Zuckerberg, won a huge amount of money, took all their money, put it into Bitcoin, now became super billionaires and own the company Gemini. Were one of the first brothers entities to file for that ETF filing. So a lot of this is on the books and more. Very exciting. And also, as we've been telling you, what else are you going to do with your money, ladies and gentlemen? We're in hyperinflation. We're in freaking hyperinflation, ladies and gentlemen. What are you going to do? The only place you can put your money is Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and these other assets. And by the way, now you should be figuring out what the next major opportunities are, which we've released at BitcoinRich.com. In fact, if you click the link below, you get in with a special pricing, automatic registration. You don't have to do anything. You get a special price just to get in today. Start identifying, along with us and my amazing students, leave a testimonial for you. Think about this for a minute. Anyone that has ever bought a Bitcoin as we're approaching a new all-time high is now soon to be in profit. That means if you ever touched a Bitcoin, you've made money. Amazing. Think about that. So now you need to be figuring out what are the next major asset classes in the blockchain space that are going to be the winners. That are going to go 10x, 100x, 1000x in some cases, because this solidifies the entire cryptocurrency blockchain market. So let's get into this article. Here we have the guy, head of the SEC. There he is, Mr. Gensler. Right? Wasn't he a former Ivy Leaguer or something? Was it MIT? I can't remember exactly where he was from. And here's the news. The SEC is poised to allow the first Bitcoin futures ETFs to begin trading soon. And it goes over all this information as Bitcoin pops above 60K, goes over what the commission is set to allow for the first U.S. Bitcoin futures exchange traded fund to start trading next week. A landmark victory for a cryptocurrency industry that has long sought permissions from Wall Street's top regulator, according to a person familiar with the matter. Specifically, the person said the SEC isn't likely to block the ETFs proposed by ProShares and Invesco. So those are the two names to be on the lookout for, of which retail investors will now be able to buy and pump our bags to the freaking moon. I always told you guys this, you want to get in early, not when it's obvious, right? When you're being made fun of, when everyone is telling you Bitcoin's a scam and it's going to zero and they don't know what they're talking about. And by the way, a little secret here, there's other positions we've been taking at school that people are also laughing at, but I'm going all in because I know when people tell me don't do something, that's usually meaning that they're wrong. Same thing with Bitcoin and same thing with these other assets that are changing the game of finance, economics, the media, metaverses, art, non-fungible tokens, real estate, every industry worldwide as they reset us into the new global system. Again, trust the freaking plan, ladies and gentlemen. There's a reason why 4.3 million people lost their jobs recently. Trust the plan. We're being replaced by robots and automation and technology, something we've also been warning you about for years. And blockchain ties into this. So you need to learn about it. Not only is it the new internet, it is the new social media, it is the new commerce, it's the new currency, and now it's the new futures trading ETFs, exchange traded funds on Wall Street, and much more products like this coming very, very soon. So short video, like and share this. If you're one of my amazing students, like this video, leave a testimonial. Let us know how you're doing. Again, anyone that's ever bought Bitcoin is soon to be in profit, meaning no one, if you've held and hodled, has lost money. Once we break the 65K barrier, which I think will happen very, very soon, on our way to brand new records. Because again, these people were lying to you. The institutions were wanting you to stay out of it while they've been gobbling it up and they're getting rich. What we've been telling you here on this channel has been 100% correct from day one. And the exciting thing is, this is just the beginning for many of you tuning in. So, click the link below. Want to see at school, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Watch my recent video. More videos coming this weekend, today. So get in, execute, make sure you're learning about this valuable information so that you understand, number one, what the opportunities are and where all this is headed as we go to the freaking moon, baby. That's right, 1000 freaking X, BitcoinRich.com. Want to see you at school? I'll meet you there.